How to change gender on Facebook profile. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to see how you can easily change your gender on your Facebook profile. Without any further delay, let us just jump right in. Simply go ahead and open Facebook first and make sure to log into your account. Now next step is to find the menu icon at the top right corner. And from here you can directly visit your profile by tapping on your profile banner. Once you're on your profile, scroll down and you'll find your details. Go ahead and tap on see your about info, and then it will show you all of your public information. So right here under basic info, you have your pronouns, languages, and your gender. Now if you want to edit your gender, go ahead and tap on this edit icon, and you can easily change your gender just like so. If you tap on the drop down here, you can select from all of these options, male, female, non-binary, and if you tap on more option, it will easily give you an option to add your gender. So I'll just go ahead and make it female just to show you guys. So I'll just tap on the drop down, select female, and don't forget to tap the save button down below. Once you tap on save, you should be good to go. Now the gender has been changed on my Facebook profile. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.